guys, from this website, I was able to make up to 37,000 naira in 24 hours. I was shocked myself. So I'm going to be making a review on this website called MonoTube. I don't know if you've heard about it, but let me know in the comment section if you've heard about it. And they said I can withdraw my money into OPay, PalmPay, or bank transfer. So let me show you how the website works. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, welcome. What we do here is talk on how to make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. If that's of your interest, hit the subscribe button and join the family. Now let's dive. So this app, MomoTube, is an app that allows you to make money watching movies, performing tasks by referring people, signing up. They pay you per click. Anyone that click on that link and they did not even sign up, they are going to pay you. So every task you perform on this particular website, you are going to get paid. Even those that you refer, when they perform their task, you are still going to get paid 25% commission while they are performing their task. So this thing seems too good to be true to me. I was able to make 37,400 or so with less than 24 hours. So I was shocked myself. So I started making research on how I will withdraw my money. I was happy now. I make 7,000 naira in less than 24 hours. Who wants to withdraw? So I went to make my research on the withdrawal method. They said the withdrawal method, I can withdraw to my OP, my PalmPay, my bank transfer. I was like, really? And then I get the biggest shock of it. They said I will have to get to level 4 before I can withdraw my money. Like, so okay, fine. I went to look for the requirements for me to get to level 4. It was unknown. Even the requirement to get to level 3 was still unknown to me. So they want to play smart with me by wasting my time and wasting data. In this ad economy, that data is even more expensive than anything. So guys, I am pleading with you, do not waste your time on this unnecessary thing. If you want to make real money, why don't you go into digital marketing? Because this is something I'm doing currently and it's making me good amount of money. You don't necessarily need to promote other people's products, and you can create one product if you want to create. You can also buy a copyright copyright free products. When you buy the products, maybe like 5,000 naira or 4,000 or 6,000, it depends on the type of product that you want to buy, or digital product that you want to buy. You can sell that thing. Once you buy 5,000 naira, you own it for life. Like, you can sell at the price range of 10,000 naira if you wish to sell it. If you want to sell it for 2,000 naira, the ball is in your court. You have the chance to charge the price any amount. No one owns the content. Since you buy it, is your own, and as many people can actually buy that course. So as far as you buy the course doesn't mean that you're the only one that have access to the course. A lot of people have access to that course. So if you want it to more unique, you can create more things to it. So that course that you buy and start selling it at higher prices, giving out more value to people. They want to rush your own than the others. So that's it. Then if you want me to expatiate more about this, let me know in the comment section, guys. Alright guys, that will be the end of today's video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your loved ones.